Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have found this Lamicall tablet stand to have so many uses. There are so many situations where I would like to use my tablet hands-free, so I am always reaching for this thing. Because the flexible neck can be turned in just about any position and it can be used in a variety of heights, I can be sitting, standing, or lying down, and this tablet stand works for me. I really appreciate that it has a very heavy base, so it does not tend to be wobbly at all. I find it really easy to put my tablet into the holder and to take it out again. It holds onto my tablet really firmly, so I don't have any fear of it falling out. Not having to hold my tablet myself might seem like a simple thing, but it makes such a huge difference to my comfort. I can use this tablet holder while I'm relaxing, exercising, or doing something that requires both of my hands. In these times where we all use our tablets so much throughout the day, this Lamicall tablet stand has been a great addition to our home. And that's my point of view.